Hello YouTube, I'm Moritz, and I'm here to talk to you about prediction and prophecy. Einstein predicted gravimetric lensing long before it was observed in 1919. That's a hit, a prediction that was correct. Neptune was predicted by gravitational perturbations of Uranus, another hit. James Clerk Maxwell predicted radio waves in 1865, 22 years before they were discovered by Heinrich Hertz. Dmitry Mendeleev predicted the existence of several elements and left spaces in his periodic table of elements for them. 3 of them were discovered in his lifespan. Another hit. I could go on. Well, let's look at some prophecies. Jehovah's Witnesses prophesied the end of the world in 1914. As it is 2010, that's a miss. They also prophesied the end of the world in 1918, 1920, 1925, 1941, 1975, and 1994. Bunch of misses. David Davidson wrote in The Great Pyramid, its divine message, that the world would end in 1953 in August. A miss. In 1982, there were claims that the planetary alignment, which occurs every 179 years, would destroy the Earth. Why it didn't destroy the Earth in 1803 is beyond me. Another couple of misses. Now, can you see a difference between predictions and prophecy? That the only prognosticating that has ever come true are the predictions that required work and effort? That the doom and gloom prophecies that say only a few will be saved have never come true? I spent all night looking for one positive prophecy, true or not, from New Age theistic world. I found none. So I was forced to use these doom and gloom end of the world prophecies. I'm startled by how often the negative prophecies are wrong. By how often people drink the Kool-Aid literally and figuratively, buying into some prophecy. The thing about prophecy is that it's easy. You listen to someone rattle off end of the world prognostications and you give them your time, your money, and your mind. You no longer have any need to think your way through life, as you know what is coming, as someone told you. Scientific prediction is different. When the end of the smallpox was predicted, it was due to the concentrated efforts of the human race for better than 200 years to make the world better for every living human being. Science predicts not based on the world as we would like to see it, but the world as it is. It makes predictions based on the possible, and then we decide to put in the effort to make it so. As finding Pluto in the night sky, it was predicted as Planet X in 1909, but wasn't discovered until 1930. The effort involved is staggering. Arthur C. Clarke once said that a space elevator would be built in 50 years after everyone quits laughing. Even if Arthur C. Clarke ends up being wrong about the elevator, he's right that once you start looking at a problem honestly, it doesn't seem as insurmountable. But I'm looking forward to see if we can get it done before 2029. I think Mr. Clarke may have just slightly underestimated the naked ape, just a little bit, because we've dreamt big and the stars are there beckoning.